If your AnyDesk address is not showing, don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective steps to get your AnyDesk ID back on screen, from checking your connection to resetting the local ID files if needed. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Check your internet connection. AnyDesk needs a stable connection to generate and display your address properly. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working, then open your browser and visit any website to confirm that your internet is actually active. If the page loads normally, you know your connection is fine. If not, restart your router or reconnect to the network before moving on. Next, restart AnyDesk completely. Sometimes the app just gets stuck in the background and fails to load your ID. On Windows, right-click the AnyDesk icon in the taskbar and select Quit if that option appears. If it's still running, press Ctrl, Shift, and S to open Task Manager. Look for any AnyDesk processes, end them all, and then reopen the app. A clean restart often brings the address back immediately. If that doesn't work, try running AnyDesk as an administrator. Right-click the AnyDesk shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to access system resources and retrieve your ID properly. In many cases, missing permissions can prevent the address from appearing, so this is an important step. Now let's fix your system time, because incorrect date and time settings can cause certificate and connection issues. Right-click the clock on your taskbar and click Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically, then click Sync Now. When your device time is wrong, AnyDesk may have trouble connecting to its servers, which can stop the address from loading. After syncing, reopen AnyDesk and check again. If the address is still missing, the next thing to check is your firewall. In the Windows search bar, type Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Then click Allow an app through Firewall. Look for AnyDesk in the list and make sure it is checked. If it is not enabled, click Change Settings, find AnyDesk, and tick both the private and public boxes if needed. Then click OK to save the changes. Your firewall may have been blocking AnyDesk from reaching the network, and allowing it can solve the issue. Still no address? Then let's reset your local AnyDesk ID files. First, close AnyDesk completely. After that, press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %appdated %AnyDesk and press Enter. In that folder, look for the file called service.conf and delete it. This file stores local identity information, and if it becomes corrupted, AnyDesk may fail to generate or display your address. Once the file is removed, reopen AnyDesk. The app should generate a fresh ID and your address should appear again. If the problem continues after all of these steps, reinstalling AnyDesk may also help, but in most cases, one of the fixes in this video will solve it. Start with the connection, then restart the app, run it as administrator, correct your system time, check the firewall, and finally reset the ID file if needed. That process fixes the issue for most users. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.